dreaming as a youth in 2024 in Cameroon, you go Lille. So in Cameroon 2024, the price of everything is going up. I'm talking to you from a personal point of view as a businessman. Everything about tax, prices of things, inflation everywhere. And you have your phone in your hand. There are a lot of platforms out there where you can actually get engaged, make money. You have WhatsApp, you have TikTok, you have Facebook, you have YouTube. Why don't you use these apps to make money? When any opportunity is shared with you at any given instant, you always say it's a scam. Keep thinking it's a scam. You see Cameroon, they scam you already. The fact that they bought me for Cameroon is already a big scam. So you should know that already and take action in 2024. Should in case you're out there and you want to take action in 2024, you want to start using your phone with these apps to make money, DM me, inbox me with the word learn. And I'm going to tell you exactly what you can be doing in 2024 that is actually going to help you. Remember, na scam. Cameroon itself, na scam.